What's up, everyone? It's me, your Study Tree, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Leisure Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC and ka-RCFA all around the world. Yes, we are back for Ruel Carino reaction, and this is for his performance of Constantly by Cliff Richard. Yes, thank you so much po kay Ma'am Mel Escalante for sending this link. And nakita ko kila KJ, meron siyang performance ng Wonderful Tonight, guys. Wala akong link, so sana naman ma-share nyo din yan sa akin. Charit, charit. And of course, we are so excited to check this out. But before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. Go. Here it is, guys. Ay, anong event ito? Hindi pala ito sa 8 Bulaga, guys. Ay. Ay, oh my God. Ba't gano'n nawala yung sound nung kumakanta na si Ruel? But the raw vocal, nakita nyo naman ang hagod ng ating bunso eh. Talagang the diction is dictioning. Balikan nga natin, guys. Ba't walang sound? Grabe, smooth. So pag nagsasalita siya, mawawala yung song. Oh my God. Ano ba yun, guys? Na-remove talaga yung part na yun or nasa setting nung ano na kapag kumakanta, nawawala ang background music. Si Cliff Richard pala ang kumanta nito. Grabe, no? Naririnig nyo ba yung raw vocal ni Ruel na sobrang soothing? Kahit walang background music, the melody and the rhythm is there. Diba? Parang Jose Marie Chan vibe sa akin, no? Yung, alam niyo yung ganong atake ni Ruel na soft tone, pero buong-buo yung boses. Oo. Balikan nga natin, guys. Ba't nawawala talaga? Sa recording ata ito. Listen to that melody and rhythm. Oh, smooth! Diba? Para siya naging semi-a-cappella with a background music, but you can hear the quality of vocal, the golden voice of Ruel. Masarap din pakinggan talaga yung boses ni Ruel even without the background music. Ganda ng 10 note na yun. Diba? The soft tone, guys. Oh, ang sweet. Tapos, akalain nyo nakabag lang si Ruel dito. Parang na ano lang siya, na impromptu, na can you sing for us, Ruel? Tapos, ano pala to, yung kantang Constantly pala. Kay Cliff Richard pala yan, guys. Grabe yung soft tone niya dito. Oh, ang pogi ng bunso. Oh my God. Soft tone talaga ang nagdala. Oh! my God! That's our bunso, Ruel Carino. So yeah. There you have it, guys. That is Bunso Ruel Carino singing constantly with a background and a cappella 50-50. Chares! Oo, hindi ko alam siguro dahil nung pag-upload, meron yan. Pero lagi nga nang sinasabi natin sa inyo sa YouTube, guys, medyo mahigpit talaga sila in terms of music. So may mga bagay na dapat alisin or idagdag para hindi tayo ma-copyright. But this one, I'm so happy na yung boses ni Roel nandito pa rin, the raw vocal, you can still feel it. Like what I said, even without the background music, you can hear the melody and the rhythm of the song through Roel's vocal. Grabe yung smoothness, yung soft tone, saka yung storytelling. No? Grabe rin ang vocal placement. Iba talaga ang isang golden vocal ng ating bunso Roel. Kaya naman nag-enjoy tayong panoorin ito. Thank you so much po for sending me the link for this performance. At sana ma-send nyo din sa akin yung sa 8 Bulaga. Charit, hindi ko makita, guys. Gusto ko rin siyang reactan yung Wonderful Tonight. Oo, meron pa isang Matt Monroe song. So, sana po ay ma-share nyo din yan sa akin. At nakita niyo naman, pasensya na rin, medyo ngongo tayo for today's video kasi galing tayo sa sakit. But of course, we cannot miss another reaction for our bunso Roel. And of course, if you enjoy this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisure Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.